How to log out of Messenger. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to log out to your device from Messenger, what you're simply going to do is first open Messenger on your device. Then in the bottom right corner you can see a 3-bar option where it is written menu. Open it, and then in the first you can see the option settings. Click on it and then scroll to the bottom of the page, and over here you'll see account center, which is over here. Go there and then scroll a bit down, and under account settings you can see password and security. Click on it and go to where you're logged in. Now this will show all the devices where you're logged in on your Messenger app. So just click on one device, then go to log out and log out, and then it will be logged out from that device. Or another way of doing it is, this is only for Android users. So what you can do is long press on the Messenger app and go to the eye icon, which is over here. Now it will take you to the page where there are all the informations about the app. Now what you're going to do is go to the option which says storage, then clear data, and then clear cache. Now if you do this, all the data for the app will be cleared or deleted. Then your account will be reset. So this is how you can sign out of Messenger account on your device. So thank you for watching until the end of the video. Hope you like it and see you in the next one.